We'll now be working on how to import MOFs into Unity. These MOFs would be used by LipSync Pro as blend shapes. Click on File and then click on Export. Give a file name and click on Save. Click on Edit MOF Export Files. Export CSV files. Choose a location to save the file. Give a file name and then click on Save. Let's now open the exported CSV file. The CSV file can be edited using Excel or Notepad. I would be using Google Sheets and Notepad to create the CSV file. First, let's open the CSV file in Notepad. We need to have export rules in similar format. The first column contains the names of base post head files. These files are present inside the character folder of Dash3D. I have already copied the location in my PC. Select all the DSON support files. Now press Shift and right click on the selected files. Choose Copy as Path. Let's create a new spreadsheet and paste all the selected paths. I will now apply several spreadsheet formulas. The last column will contain the desired output. Note that the final format that is required is the file name within double quotes followed by a comma and export in double quotes. We are done with base post head files. Let's now look at expressions files. Let's go inside the expressions folder of our 3D character and repeat the same steps. Please note that it would be easier if you use a spreadsheet software like Excel or Google Sheets to make the preset CSV file. Let's now copy the contents of the last column, which has the desired output. Paste the copied column into the preset CSV file. Save the preset CSV file. We are now ready to export our character as FBX. In Dash3D, click on File and then click on Export. Choose a location. Give a desired file name and then click on Save. In the FBX export options, check and uncheck the desired options. Click on Edit MOF Export Files, Import CSV Files, and select the preset CSV file that we have made. Check if your imported CSV file is correct. Now click on Accept. Change the output options to FBX 2014 binary. Click on Accept again. Your 3D character has now been exported. In order to import the 3D character to Unity, we need to make sure that all the texture files are present in the exported folder. In the File Explorer, open the location in which you have saved the FBX file. I have saved my file as mail1. Inside mail1.images folder, we have the texture images of the FBX file. We will be copying more texture into this folder. Inside Dash3D, let's first open the Surfaces tab. Search for any image which is being used by the character. I have selected arms. Click on the square icon on the base color. Select browse and now copy the location of the texture. In a new File Explorer window, paste the copied location. Copy all the files present in this folder. Paste these files in the exported folder. Make sure to skip the files which are already present in the folder. In Dash 3D now click the Scene tab and repeat the same process for eyelashes, outfit and hair. Make sure that you have copied all the contents present in folders used by the characters. I have now copied the textures of outfit and the hair. Let's now import this folder into Unity.